So this US oil analysis for Wednesday, the 18th of April. Now, let's just have a look what have been prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices test this 66.71 from underneath, and from which we did see that sell side momentum come into the market, bringing us all the way back down towards that 65.60. An area previously identified as an area where we could potentially find support and resistance. From this 65.60, we did see that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, take us above the 66.71. We're currently sitting in around that 67 level. There is a possibility of seeing that retracement from where we are at present after seeing such a strong move here to the upside. A retracement bring us back down towards that 66.71. If we do hold support at 66.71, we're then looking for price progression here towards the most recent swing highs here in the market in around that 67.73. And if we do break beyond the 67.73, we're then looking for prices to head up towards the 68.19. If we do see that price progression here towards the upside on the US oil. Now, beyond 68.19, if we do see sufficient volatility here on the US oil, we are looking for prices to head up towards the beyond 68.19, a move up towards that 69.51. That's the very next major level that we are looking at here on the US oil. If we do see that progression beyond the 68.19, and we do successfully break above the 67.73. Now, if we do not find support at the 66.71, we're then looking for price progression all the way back down towards that 65.60, where we previously found support. Looking to see if we do see that bullish buy side momentum return to the market, bring us up towards that 66.71. In around that 65.60, depending how long prices do take to get all the way down there, we could have the added confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of potentially seeing a bullish bounce from the 65.60 all the way up towards that 66.71. And again, if we do break down from 65.60, we are looking for prices to progress all the way back down towards that 64.75. 64.75. 64.76, it should be. Yep, down towards our 64.76. Those are pretty much the levels that we are looking at here, while being aware that we might find major support in around 64.76, as we do have the high confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce in the market if we were to retrace all the way down towards that 64.76 level. Now we'll have a brief look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the US oil. Here on the daily chart on US oil, we can see here we've had this strong progression here. So we've had our lows, higher low, a higher low still. Strong progression here to the upside. Brief pullback, tested 65.60 with a pretty much a perfect test. Very slightly below the level, almost a perfect test of that level. Seeing that strong bullish buy side momentum as indicated by this week. We're seeing the momentum follow through, but at present, that bullish momentum follow through. So we'll look to see if prices do retrace or retest our old highs in around that 67.73 and continue this progression here and this recovery in the US oil. Now, with that said, that wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.